Hello, welcome to another Dying Light 2 video walkthrough. We are continuing the Let's Waltz main story quest, which gets us out of Old Villador. I'm in NG Plus mode for the second time with this character, so I have some good skills to do my jumping, but that's what we're going to do coming forward as we follow Waltz into the car factory. What we need to do is just simply jump and not make any mistakes along the way. Get a little slide jump here. This one's a little tricky. It's an angle from here up to there. Catch the rope across. We do not want to land in the goo. You have another slide jump here. Make sure you line yourself up with the handholds. There it is. Don't know why this zip line does not want to slide us through. We just need two hands across to get there. Sort of painful, but yeah, we're getting there. Make sure you don't fall back where you started. A jump and a walk gets us over here. Now what we want to do is land down here. Well, that's where you have now finished hurtling across the crashed overpass. And you can see we're out of the poison. And down here is the car factory. Obviously, we're not going to be alone down here. So what kind of oh, I got exploding arrows left. Exploding arrows are good for these guys. Builds character. Why they're attacking each other, but that's okay. This is way too much fun. Let's see what we got left now. Well, that being said, we ran out of bullets.
You're gonna fight or just dance around?
Slowly gets rid of the rest of them. Nice decapitations going on there too, by the way.
What the? Move back here. Get out of here real quick. You're fucked now. You're ready to make a mess.
Yeah, some more of these guys around here.
You call that fighting? Fucked away! Don't do it, man. Get that.
We can fight her right on this one. And we have to look. Get them both. They're piled up over here. Okay. So we can jump across, jump up and over. I myself like to take this shortcut right up here. Jump on lights, pylons, whatever these happen to be. Another one over here. Swing around. Where we need to be.
Fucking with us. He's so dead. Ready?
Thought he was down for the count, but obviously he wasn't. Anybody else around here? Nope. There's our buddy Waltz.
Where is she?
You?
Cut ahead a little bit.
Well, this time, I'll do it right. You're one of my... Good. Before I kill you, you'll get a chance to witness something spectacular. Everything comes full circle. We return to the beginning. And now...
A history! 5 years old! You tortured kids! We were kids!
Not a good guy
You
to
were
fight.
part
He's
of
sort
something
of a
greater.
superhero.
You owe
here.
it to me that you are still alive. That you are strong. That you are stronger than I could have imagined. Any less.
What have you done?
Sister, Aiden, you're alive.
Run!
All right.
Man, I gotta take... What the fuck?
Run! He's transforming!
And we'll pause it there. As we've now followed Waltz into the car factory, now we've got to get out of the car factory, which is a source of another video, and we'll simply record this one. Escape from Waltz will be the follow-up video, so check out the next one.